Come on, let's start with divisibility rules. We'll start with 2. What is the divisibility rule for 2?
So the divisibility rule of 2 is that that a number has to end with an even number, which is 2, 4, 6, 8.
Wonderful, wonderful. So in simple, can I say?
Sir, can I add one point
yeah.
to Amita's answer?
Okay, go ahead.
So she said like 2, 4, 6, 8, but 0 is also there in that.
Correct, correct. So, but I think one statement which Vamika said was good enough. Like, you know, if a number is even, then it is definitely divisible by 2. If a number is even, it is definitely divisible by 2. Any number, when you look at 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, it's a very big number. It is like, if you can see, you know, it is 21,34,567. It's a very big number. But the moment you see this number, is it an even number or an odd number?
Sir, it's an odd number.
So the moment you see it's an odd number, then I can say this is not divisible by 2. Right? So whereas if we have a large number like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 4, when I see this number, the moment I see this number, I know this is an even number. Because it's an even number, this will definitely be divisible by 2. Because any even number, say when I write 2, what are the even numbers? You know, it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. If you keep on writing the even numbers, you can see all the even numbers basically have a multiple of 2. Just observe that. 2 1s is 2, 2 2s is 4, 2 3s is 6, 2 4s is 8. So if you keep on doing this, you can see every even number has a multiple of 2. Because it has a multiple of 2, it is definitely divisible by 2. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
We are just not remembering. We are understanding the logic behind it. Why is it divisible by 2? It's divisible by 2 because if you keep adding those, you know, you see those even numbers, all even numbers will be divisible by 2. So, but as a definition, what you learn at school is if any number that ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, that's how it is taught in school. If a number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, then it is divisible by 2. So why it is taught like that? Because as kids, when you're in 6th standard, not everyone understands even, odd easily. So, but when the number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, so any number that ends with 4, you know it's an even number. If it ends with 2 also, it's an even number. It ends with 6 or 8, it's an even number, therefore it's divisible by 2. Okay, so now let's quickly get on with the next divisibility rule, that is divisibility rule for 3. Anyone?
Sir,
now I'll give Neha a chance to discuss.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, go ahead, Neha. That's your
so
chance.
if you add this number, or the sum of the numbers should be a multiple. Of 3.
Sum of the numbers, sum of the digits in the number, right? Sum of the digits in the number. The sum of the digits in the number
should be divisible by 3.
Should, you know, if divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. So that's what you want to say?
Yes, sir.
Why? That's a tough question, right? Why? Come on. So that's okay. First, before even you tell me why, you want to give an example and explain?
Yes, sir. So
give me.
If it is like 51.
Okay, so if now what do you call, Neha is taking a number 5 and 1. So she wants to check whether 51 is divisible by 3 or not. She's not going to actually divide 51. So what she's doing is she's going to, tell me, Neha, what will you do with this?
We will do is 5 plus 1 is equal
5 plus
to
1
6.
is 6.
So we have to look whether it's in the table of 3.
So what Neha is explaining is she wants to check whether 51 is divisible or not. So the way she will check is 5 plus 1. According to the rule, the sum of the digits are 5 and 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. So what she's doing is 6. She's checking whether 6 is divisible by 3 or not. We know 6 is divisible by 3 because 6 is a multiple of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 6 is divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3, right? This is divisible by 3. Therefore, 51 is also divisible by 3. So let's do a larger number to check. Now let's check this number which we took already. Why to change a number? Let's check whether a particular number is divisible by 3 or not. Let's check this number 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's do this. How do we check this? First, we'll add those numbers. So 2 plus 1 is, so we'll just add those numbers. 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus.
Sir, I don't think it's divisible.
Oh, that's okay. Let's do it once again. 5 plus 6 plus 7. Okay. Now, 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. 21 plus 7 is 28. So we got the sum as 28. Is 28 divisible by 3? So 28 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, this number is also not divisible by 3.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So let's check this also quickly. Let's not add like kids. Now here we'll add like a 6th grade smart kid. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. Plus 7, 22. Plus 8, 30. 39. 41 plus 4, 45. Is 45 divisible?
45 divided by 3 is 15.
Yeah, so you see the number leads to, if you add up the numbers, 45. Now, even I don't know the multiple of 3. I can quickly check. 4 plus 5 is also giving you 9, right?
Yes,
4 plus
sir.
5. I want to check whether 45 is divisible by 3 or not. How do I check? 4 plus 5. I'll do it once again. I've added all these numbers. It gives me 45. I'll add once again 4 plus 5. I get 9. Is 9 divisible by 3? Yes. Therefore, this number is divisible by 3.